Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'll tell you about a quick way to remove any hex from yourself. First, let's define what a hex is. Many people use this word, but not everyone understands what it is. Hex is darkness that is intentionally implanted into your energy at all levels. This darkness colors all your emotional experiences and thoughts in dark tones. Hex is darkness all around you. Hex is negative or evil wish directed at you by another person. These are special, targeted actions against you that have become entrenched in your energy. Small doubts and uncertainties in your soul can become fertile ground for the ingrained hex to take root in your body and soul. Some unpleasant character traits that you don't get rid of but keep inside can also become a trigger for a hex. This character trait can be imagined as a certain place in which darkness makes its nest. What should you do if a hex doesn't go away by itself? In any event, you must remove this condition. I'll now tell you how to do this quickly and easily, and to maximum effect. This ritual will cleanse and nourish your energy using the element of fire. The ritual should be performed in the evening during a full moon. The moon doesn't need to be entirely full. The important thing is that it's a full moon, not a crescent. Take 3 candles. These can be any simple candles. I use these. Place the candles in the shape of a small triangle with one base facing you. Light the candles and gaze into the flames.
Зажигаем свечи.
Place your palms around the candles, like this. Then close your eyes and breathe evenly and calmly for about a minute or several minutes. You should feel comfortable and at ease. Clear your mind of all thoughts. Then take a deep breath and feel the burning flames of the 3 candles. With your eyes closed, feel yourself transforming into this fire. Imagine yourself among these 3 candles. And you light up. The fire envelops you from all sides and penetrates you with the air. But this fire does not burn but purifies your soul and your thoughts and charges your energy with its flame. The fire reaches every cell of your body, and in this purifying fire, all the darkness that has unknowingly crept into your body and soul is burned away. You can call this a kind of fiery disinfection of your body and soul. It's enough to maintain this state for 10 to 15 seconds. 5 seconds is enough for an average person. You can do this for as little as 5 seconds. No more is necessary. It will be difficult without extensive practice. Then open your eyes and look over the candles. Keeping your palms in the same position, say the following words. The candles burn in my hands. The flames blaze in 3 pillars. I stand between 3 purifying fires that protect my soul and body. The darkness burns in the sacred fire. The flame saves my soul and body from human malice. Then, place your palms on the table and close your eyes. Sit for a while, maybe just a few seconds, and calm down. Extinguish the candles. Don't use them again. Remember the feeling of being surrounded by flames. Try to remember this feeling and keep a small part of the triple flame within you. When you have light within you, no evil will ever touch you. The energy of the all-purifying flame will prevent evil from even trying to touch you. This practice can and should be used regularly when you need to cleanse yourself of any negativity if you believe it's coming from bad or evil people. Here's a simple ritual for removing and protecting yourself from hexes. This ritual is suitable for both beginners and experienced practitioners. Thank you for your attention. Please leave your questions in the comments. I'll answer as soon as YouTube access is available. I wish everyone well-being and good luck. All the best.